Hey guys, Tony, good morning. Wanted to do a quick update on Bitcoin and where I think we're headed. Right now, we did end up crossing under 48.7. Unfortunately, we are headed back to trend, like I said yesterday. Yesterday, I pretty much told you guys, hey, if we bounce from here, I think we're going back to all-time highs. If we don't bounce from here, we break this, um, I think we're going back to trend. And unfortunately, if we do go back to trend, I do think that this is not going to hold. As of right now, I am bearish towards 40,000, somewhere around 41.5. And it kind of sucks because that's where I think that we're going. I think that as of right now, Bitcoin is headed to 41K. I hope that I'm wrong. I hope that we bounce from here. I hope that trend holds up and we bounce back up to all-time highs. But I gotta tell you guys what the TA shows me. As of right now, I think we're headed down to trend. It does look like we're gonna be canceling out this bullish trigger into a bear trigger. Not only is it gonna be a bear trigger, but it's also gonna be a violent close. And if you guys are part of the Patreon or you guys have seen me trade for a little bit now, you guys know exactly what that means. And usually with violent closes, it means that, when the stochastic obviously is on the lows and you have a bear trigger created above the white zero line for the reverse MACD, that's when really big moves tend to happen, right? I mean, a violent close can be good on the bullish side or the bear side, but as of right now, obviously we don't want it to be, we don't want it to go down, right? But I'm bearish towards like 41K, unfortunately. As of right now, things are looking pretty grim for Bitcoin. This is not good at all. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.